Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Ask and ask we can do about factorization. Next, about ask, that is about the square root of ask to the power of 2. Similar for the second one. Now we have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have the square root of x minus the square root of y multiplied by the square root of x plus the square root of y. Now we need to simplify this one on this one, and we just have like this. Now we put number 7 and number 7 cone here. So we have the final answer. And this one we have 14 with the square root of number 7. That is the end. Thank you for watching.